रिकॉर्ड करेंगे।
हाँ जस्ट लेट मी
ऐसे
आउट।
कुछ नहीं करना है, ऐसे भी ऐसे ही रखना है। आप मुझे देख सकते हो ना।
आपको रिकॉर्ड
आप ऐसे आइए ताकि इनको ले सकें।
अच्छा तो उधर आ जाओ मैं। ओके ओके।
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, it's a great pleasure to be here again. I'll be sharing my skills with you, and I'll show you how you can increase your memory. I have a calculator. You all have your mobile phones. You can check my answers at the calculator. Who would like to check my answers? मैं सही हूँ कि मैं गलत हूँ?
Priyanka is a teacher. She can do it.
Yeah. To begin with, give me a two-digit number. Any big one.
5.
That's one digit. Let's choose one.
2 days.
98. And any other?
74.
74. अगर आप 74 और 98 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, the answer is 7,252. Is it right? Okay. Give me a number which I can square for you. कोई भी एक नंबर बताइए जिसका मैं आपको स्क्वायर बता सकूं.
942.
Okay? आपने डायरेक्ट 3 डिजिट पूछ लिया, ठीक है? तो 3 सेकंड दीजिए. Eight lakh 86,164.
Oh,
Right?
great.
Okay. Now, अभी आप में से कोई भी आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ बताइए. मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि what day you are born on. लेकिन एक शर्त है. I remember the calendar only from 1st January 1600. उससे पहले कोई होगा तो याद नहीं है. इसके बाद का ही पूछ सकते हो. So anyone?
Listen, there's a joke. I mean a small joke. कि आदिल ने मुझसे पूछा एक वो अपने फिल्म के स्टूडेंट है, डायरेक्टर है, ये कास्टिंग के लिए आया आर्टिस्ट है. आदिल ने मुझसे उसकी बर्थडे के दिन पूछा कि मैं कौन हुआ था, वो कौन सा दिन था. तो मैंने कहा ये तो मेरे को पूछा.
28th November 1996. Okay, 28th November 1996 आपका जन्म हुआ था थर्सडे को. ओके, और कोई?
18 अगस्त 1989.
18 अगस्त 89. फ्राइडे.
हम गेस्ट तो ये भी देखना चाहते हैं वहाँ चेयर.
Okay, who else would like to know your date of birth? Yeah.
25th March 1937.
25th March 97 was a Tuesday. You were born on a Tuesday. And one more. Any last person who would like to know? Yeah. 5th June 92. Friday. Abhi, I shared my skills of memory with you. Now let me ask you a question. कितने लोगों को लगता है आपकी मेमोरी अच्छी है? Raise your one hand. कोई नहीं है? अच्छा, कितने लोग लगता है मेमोरी बुरी है, कुछ याद ही रहता है? Raise both your hands.
सब कुछ है.
Okay, very few. Now, sir, pen please. Okay. The first thing is that memory is not good, memory is not bad. It's either trained, and if not trained, it is untrained. So let us see how we can train our memory. I would like to share two things with you. One is the action series, and one, as Sir said, I would like to share the link system with you, which means you can remember things easily. First, a small action series. So let's see how many of you can get up fast. If I count 3, 1, 2, 3. No one has got up. Fast, yeah. Again. Now, what? Ulta. 3, 2, 1. Get up fast. Okay. सब लोग उठ जाइए. Okay. अब मैं आपको लंदन के 5 trees दिखाऊंगा एक एक्शन सीरीज के साथ जो आपको याद रखना है. The first one is oak. Oak is a tall tree. So raise your hand and say oak.
Oak.
What's the first one?
Oak.
Oak. Now comes beach. जैसे कि चौपाटी beach. So it's down. So let's go down and say beach.
Beach.
So पहला क्या था? Oak. After beach. Now comes chestnut. Hit your chest and say chestnut. ओके, पहले तीन जात बताइए अपने आप. पहले क्या था? Oak, beech, chestnut. Now comes elm. Touch your eye and say elm. And the last one, maple. Maple. Okay, दिखाइए अपने आप. Oak, beech, chestnut, elm and maple. And say it ulta. Elm, chestnut, beech, oak. Very good. Now you can sit down. So you saw here we used some action series and we remembered easily. अगर हम action का सहारा ना लेते तो शायद इतनी आसानी से याद नहीं रख सकते. लेकिन as we have already heard before, unless you don't repeat, unless you don't practice, the thing will be forgotten after some time. लिंक सिस्टम दिखाने से पहले गणित की एक छोटी सी ट्रिक आपको बताना चाहूँगा. What is 5 into 5?
25.
Okay, what's 15 into 15? Okay, 225. Okay, and what's 25 into 25? 625. Now, if you know the trick, raise your hand. What is 85 into 85? कोणाला माहिती आहे? नाही. So, how we do this? 85 into 85. If we wish to do, there is a mathematic trick which says multiply the last number. 5 5s are 25. What's the first number? 8. 8 के बाद क्या आता है? 9. What is 8 9s are?
22.
72. Is the answer right? You have the calculator 25 marks. Is it right? Okay. तो अभी आप मुझे बताइए what is 65 into 65 without the calci?
Without calci.
5 5s are 25 and 6 into 4 to 25. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So this you could see how we could easily do this. Now we are going to use something where we are not going to use pen, pencil, anything. I'll in fact just write down some words which I'm going to ask the audience to give. We are going to see हम 10-15 शब्द कैसे आसानी से कर सके. कोई भी 15 अलग-अलग शब्द आप मुझे बताइए. कोई भी शब्द. I'll write it down. Which should be different from each other.
गुस्सा.
Okay? In English में लिखते हैं. Anger. Yeah. Then
Love.
now इतना easy मत रखिए. आसा उल्टा. Make it something different. आपकी favorite country कौन सी है? What's your favorite country?
India.
Okay. और आपका favorite actor कौन सा है? Okay. And anyone who likes animals? Any couple of animals? Yeah.
Carrot.
Cats. Okay. Okay. And what do you like to eat? Anybody?
Samosa.
Okay. Good. You're making it really funny. Let's see when we do it how easy it becomes. Okay. Could you like to say some words? Sorry. Any kind of word. Anything. Your name. Nothing else. Chavi. Okay. Okay. And sports. Which sports do you like? Don't say cricket or something easy.
Wrestling.
Wrestling. Yeah. Kali is a wrestler, right? Kali. Okay. Okay, and we have 9 words. Let's take 6 more. Why don't you give a word?
Which word?
Any word. Laptop. Give a time. Any time. What time does anyone get up? Make it as different. 9 o'clock. Okay. That's too late. Okay, and yeah. Please come. Let's take anyone's date of birth. आपका क्या है? 13 Jan? 13 Jan? 38 Jan. चलिए, take on. और last 3 शब्द कौन देगा? Anyone? Any 3 more words?
Agnew.
Mobile cover.
Agnew.
Mobile power, Agni.
Agnew.
Okay. Yeah. And the last word will be China. Okay, I don't know these 15 words, neither you know. We just heard it, we not written it.
Magic
now,
is
without
going on.
writing, without mugging up, what is a very wrong thing to do, we are linking and associating. I would like to make you learn this. Would you like to do it?
Yes.
Yes.
Louder.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, the first 3 words are anger, love, India. What is the first 3 words?
Anger, love,
India. India में आप गुस्सा भी बहुत देखते हो, anger भी है. There is love also. And which country are you living in? India. Just close your eyes and see these 3 words. आँखें बंद कीजिए. And see them सीधा उल्टा, सीधा उल्टा, सीधा उल्टा. 1 2 3, 3 2 1, 3 2 3 1. All kind of different combinations. Are we done?
Yes.
Okay, see them together. Anger, love, India. Other way around. India, love, anger. Now comes Shah Rukh Khan, cat, samosas. Now, after anger, love, India, comes Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan, if you don't know, has a cat in his house. What does he have? A cat. You gifted him a cat. And along with that, he eats samosas. So, what are the next three words? Shah Rukh Khan, cat, samosas. Now, close your eyes and see the first 6 words. ओके, शब्द बताइए.
समोसा
उल्टा.
समोसा कैट शाहरुख खान इंडिया एंगर लव
Love. Love and okay. Now comes Chavi. Chavi is a Shah Rukh Khan fan. Okay. And you are liking Shah Rukh Khan, but there is something that you like more. That is wrestling. Okay. And your favorite wrestler is Khali. So the next 3 words are Chavi, wrestling, and Khali. Close your eyes and see that. Okay, are we done? बताइए. See them all together. Loudly in one voice. Come fast. Anger,
लव इंडिया शाहरुख खान कैट समोसा छवि
Other way around. Great. 6 more words. Laptop, 9 a.m. and 30th Jan. Okay, I have a laptop, and on 9 a.m. on 30th Jan, I have to send a mail to somebody. So the next 3 words are laptop, 9 a.m. and 30th January. Close your eyes and see that.
लैपटॉप कंप्लीट कर लो
30th Jan. ओके, 12-15 में से 12 शब्द हो चुके हैं. बजिए जोर से.
लव इंडिया शाहरुख खान कैट समोसा छवि रेसलर खली लैपटॉप 30th Jan
And 30th Jan. उल्टा. 30th Jan. 9 a.m. laptop. Okay.
खली रेसलर
छवि समोसा.
कैट शाहरुख खान इंडिया
And the last 3 words are my mobile cover is broken. Okay. So I won't say who somebody broke it, but I needed new one. So I asked Agni for a new mobile cover. Okay. Mobile cover, Agni. And the last word is he has to give me today only because he's going to China. Bye. Okay. So the last 3 words are mobile cover, Agni, China. Okay. आपने देखा मैं 15 शब्द कितने आसानी से हमने learn किए मग करने के बजाय. Mugging is a very bad thing in memory. You remember sometime afterwards you will never remember that thing. आप भूल जाओगे. So अभी हमने लिंक कर दिया, तो अभी ऑडियंस में से कौन यहाँ आना चाहेगा और ये सारे 15 शब्द बोलना चाहेगा, सीधा उल्टा जो आपको चाहना है.
टीचर
Yeah. I like you. Okay. Yeah.
Anger, love, India, Shah Rukh Khan, cat, samosa, chavi, wrestling, khali, mobile cover,
No,
China.
no.
Laptop, 9 a.m. 30th Jan, mobile cover, Agni, China.
Very good. You're a big hand. Excellent. Okay. चलेगा. दादा you could see आप कितनी आसानी से याद कर सकते थे. Okay. और ये केवल 15 शब्द है. ऐसे ही करके आप 50 शब्द 100 शब्द भी याद कर सकते हो. And you can remember paragraphs, sentences, dialogues in a easy manner. Okay. Coming from the world of memory, one more thing of memory. There are 3 things in memory. I, O, C. What is I? What does I stand for?
मैं
I. No. Intelligence close. Ice cream not too close. But the right word is imagination. IQ is very close. I stands for imagination. What does O stand for?
Observation.
And lots of people have a problem in C.
Conclusion.
No. योगा करने से उसका फायदा होता है.
Concentration.
आपने कहा. Concentration is very important. Imagination is creativity a person has. Observation में एक couple of tricks हम पे खेलते हैं. आपका नाम क्या है? Spell it. Wrong. Okay. आपका नाम क्या है? Spell it. Wrong. किसी का अगर आंसर मालूम हो तो रेस या हैंड. Okay. 2 लोग 3 लोग को मालूम है. Okay. आपका नाम क्या है? Spell it. पहला. What's your name, ma'am? Spell it.
IT.
It. IT. The word is IT. And if this is, what is this in Roman letters? 9. Can you make this a 6? Yes, absolutely right.
Yes.
Sorry, you make it a 6. And one more thing. How many, this is a riddle, so don't try to use the calculator. The answer will be wrong with the calculator. How many seconds are there in a year? अभी आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे एक दिन में कितने सेकंड, एक महीने में, और फिर 12 को वो नहीं करना है. How many seconds are there in a year? Any guess? तो मैं आंसर बता दूं. There are 12 seconds in a year. Can anyone prove how? There are 12 seconds in a year.
How?
How? No one?
No.
2nd Jan, 2nd Feb, 2nd March, 2nd April, till 2nd December. I told you that's a kind of a joke. Okay. I'd like to show a couple of sheets to you of how you can remember date of birth, etc. But before that, आपके पास calculator है. अभी आप कोई भी 3 digit का number बताइए. I would like to see the tables of that number. 925. You have the calculator, the others can use the mobile phone. I'm going to see the tables of 925. I usually check the answers. 1s are 925, 2s are 1850, 3s are 2725, 4s are 3700, 5s are 4625, 6s are 5550, 7s are 6475, 8s are 7400, 9s are 8175, and 10s are 9250. Is it right? Yes. आपने किया? So मैं आपको चेक ये हराना था. अभी is it possible कि मैं याद कर सकता? वो पूरा मकदसा. No. But there is a, जैसे आपने words के लिए एक ट्रिक देखा, वैसे tables में भी एक ट्रिक है जो शेयर करूँगा. लेकिन ये करने से पहले let me test your memory. हमने पहले क्या कहा था? 5 T's of London. कौन से थे वो? Oak, beach, chestnut, elm, maple. Okay. क्योंकि आप रिवाइज करोगे तो याद रहेगा. What was the 15 words? मैं तो भूल गया. आपको याद है? बोलिए.
Yes.
Anger.
India. Shahrukh Khan.
समोसा.
छवि. Wrestling. Khali.
Laptop. 38 Jan.
Jan.
Mobile cover.
Okay. Very good. So no problems with remembering dialogues anymore. Okay, great. So this is one association. There are so many more different ways you can increase your memory. And maths में भी you can use an association. ये जो मैंने पाड़ा बोला, मैंने मगअप नहीं किया था, but tricks है. जैसे कि 19 table है. 19 ones are 19. अभी what is less than 9? 8. Less than 8?